Hey guys, it's me, Charlotte Darley, and today we're playing Animal Hospital. As you know, I played it before, since you see like it's in my top ranking. Oh my god, Dandy's well, please, just why? You betrayed me, but that doesn't matter. I moved on guys. But I'll still play like modded ones if I can find one, because I'm still like a lazy big alpha. But enough chatting and more playing. That was not tough. Okay, I'm gonna start by myself, because last time when I did by myself, I reached floor 8. I thought I would reach like at least floor 5 or floor 6, but nope, floor 8. So I am clearly a pro at this. I think, yeah, the first one was herbs. The second one was eye drops. I want to check in as a patient. Yeah, the fuck? I know you're a patient. You don't have to be like dot like you're the main character. Bro, what do you mean? Sigh. Still waiting. You just got here. What the fuck do you mean? Bro, how about you reach your fat arm? Come here then. Thanks. I'll be in room 1. I don't like the way they look at me. Me? What? Who? You stupid motherfucker. Okay, sorry, bro. Just get in and get your fat arm. Come on. Let me just take some blood. Wait. Okay, sorry. You need some herbs. Take my herbs. I'll backshot you. Okay, there we go. He's just gonna rest in there. What's taking so long? Your fat arm's taking long. Did you hear that noise? Yeah, I heard your big hat voice hearing that. Any more coffee? Aww. Room 2, okay. Hey. Dot. Why is everybody doing dot? What? Bro. Get your big eye in here. Okay, let me backshot you. Yep. Oh my god, the flies. Whoa. The doctor is arriving. Yeah, the fuck I know the doctor is arriving. I still don't like his new look, to be honest. I like the old one. It was much more goofier. Now he's like much more serious. He must be the new hire. Dr. Harlow. Okay, hi. Some advice if things get strange. Just keep working. I'll fix up the shutters and security cameras for you. Okay, that's great. Shutters operational. Let's see, any like oddly patients? Oh, how much did I get? I better get a good rating. Excellent, good job. Oh well, that's great. Okay, this one seems to be normal. Oh yeah, it's best. Okay, so you see. Wait, let me check again. Hey, I have an appointment. Yeah, that's great. You're fine. I got room 5. That's great, you got room 5. That's not really like an achievement, to be honest, but if you think so, I'll believe you. Okay. I'm Susan Brown. I want to check in as a patient. Okay, hi, Susan Brown. I like you, I guess. Well, yeah, you seem normal. Anyways, come on. I got room 4. Okay, move your fat arm. I need another customer. Oh! No, you better not go on the side. Oh, thank you. Thank God. Right, do you know what I like to do when I see these types of people? First, I like to really inspect them. Hi, sir. Ooh. Okay, okay, Then I like to back shot. Oh, hell no. Okay, that's enough. And then I go like a... And then I do this. And then I go like a... Then I like to kiss them on the forehead. Okay. Ron! You're fat. Oh, wait, I think you're actually a secretary, but okay. Hi, Ron! Hi! By the way, I'm actually the new secretary. Name's Ron. From accounting. You ever wonder why they keep hiring new people? ... Never mind. Okay, weird-eye person. Hold on, let me just check if you're actually wrong. My fucking God, I am hurrying up. You want me to tase you? Even though I don't have a taser. Bruh. I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. That's fantastic. Wait, 3, 4, 5, isn't it? Wait. It's going in order, bruh. Well, first I'm gonna start with 3 then. I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world. That's fantastic. It's a plastic. Okay, why am I singing that? Guys, I'm like really sorry. I have not been posting at all. It's school, bro. It's my tutoring, it's my school. But yeah, sorry. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. I am so sorry. I didn't mean to, but like, I have to, cause it's basically school, bro. Okay, I got you sorted. Now number 4. 5. Okay. I know this is really risky, but gotta do it for the views. Yippee! And I didn't even lose that much sanity. This is reminding me Gray from Sprunky, to be honest. Best doctor ever, hands down. Okay, that's great. But I don't care. Hi. Okay, I know action needed, bro. Okay, stand. Yep. I've learned about like all the items here that I don't even need to see the images, except for the surgery. Like, duh, of course. Bruh. Bruh. Ugh. 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 Okay. Stomachache. Okay. Haha, I can run a marathon. Ah, hey! He trapped me. Haha, I can run a marathon now. And I could batch you for a marathon. Sorry. I'm sorry, bro. Number 5, here you go, goodbye. I'm a Barbie girl, a Barbie world, awesome task. Hey, I'm opening new facilities for you. Thank you, Dr. Harlow. The supply shop will be open for a limited time each shift. Oh wait, I love that little music, that little tune. Oh, it's already starting. It's already starting. It's already starting. Okay. No. Oh wait, oh no, that would be sweet. Yeah, sure. That'd be nice. Oh my god, I wish I had the gun or something else. Hold up. Yeah, you good. Once I get the taser, I'm going to immediately tase you, by the way. And I won't even save you. I'll just throw you in the bin and watch you die. But I am going to throw you in the bin and tase you. Oh, hold on, sorry. Okay. Wait. Yeah, you good. Ubby wobbly boop open boom 4. That sounds like my cousin, to be honest. Okay, let's see you. How about little Boo? My name Boo. Ubis Kuboy. Ubi Waban Tubu Chabak Ubin Ubas Uba Pubibiash Bient. I speak very good. Whoa! I was not expecting that from this goofy bish. I'm keeping it family friendly here. Alright, start phone slow, relax. Inspect. Wait, why am I letting him? Alright, he seems very weird here also, so like... Okay, sir, I don't know how to tell you this. But look! It's raining tacos out there! Look! Close the door before he gets mad. What? Novo Soboshi book? Oh, hi. Oh, why are you angry at me? Why is this guy angry? Have a look. Whoa. Why the ice still there? Go. Ubi, have Ubi, Oban, Abajaboy bent. Okay, that's very inspiring words. Well, you're good on the cameras. You're good on the... Oh no, why did I... It's fine. You're good on the other stuff, so... You know, last time when I reached floor 8, I was losing my mind. No, bro, I'm going to fucking murder you. And I'm going to rip your gut out. guts out. Open your head in, smush your brain, and spread it on your eyes. Then after I'm done with your guts, I'm going to rip them off and make you eat them while I watch you suffer. Then I'm going to take your heart out and squeeze it so hard that my knuckles go white. Then smear it on your lips like the Joker. Guys, I know I said I was gonna keep it family friendly, but this fucking guy, this grey, dark blue bish is pissing me off. Nobody else here is pissing me off. Oh my, what is this motherfucker saying? I just want to go home. How about I go home with you and then smear your blood on your face? Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. I know I harassed you, but don't give us a bad view. Yeah, you seem normal. Boop. Come on in, sir. Come on in. For banks, I've been wibble, boob, I've been rooboom free. Okay. Whoa. Immediately no. What? Okay, you're fine. I like you. I don't really care about the orange. It's this blue one that's pissing me off so bad. I'm about to smash his head into a wall and then dump him in the bin. Whoa. Sorry, sir. No. Immediately no. Bye. Let's see the other one. This one seems normal. Yeah, you seem quite... Oh, wait, hold on. Yeah, you seem quite normal. Yeah, you're actually good. Never mind. I wish somebody would be a visitor soon. Reboot 6. Wait, oh my god, I just wasted my coffee. It's fine. My back is killing me in this chair. How about I kill your back while you're in that chair? I break your ribs. I break your spine. How about that then? Will you feel better? Yeah, probably. Sorry. Who pooped? Who? Who pooped? Wait, I literally have the fire extinguisher. I won't waste it though. I'll only use it if like a patient is on fire or there's a fire in a room. Oh, hold on, let me see, miss. Sorry. Okay, seem good on the camera. Yeah, you seem totally normal. And so, yippee! Just one more patient. Yippee! A beeable boob. Okay, you did not just make me say that word about woman's body. Bruh. Okay, let me start from order. I'll do 1, 2, 1, 3, 4 to the, oh, stop pooping, to then, I better not hear comments saying 6, 7, please, okay, please, ouch. I'm just gonna continue doing this to the other patient. gonna do my best to try. Okay, and I'll also need the thing for like that. You got a fever. You need the red thingy majiggy, the thermal. What? What? Oh, this is actually creeping me out. This is actually creeping me out now. That's scary. Time to kill some people. Yeah. Huh? Bro, they literally keep it calm. Keep it calm. Keep it calm. Keep it cool. Well, at least they're helping me save it up, I guess. Hey, buddy. 1 plus rain equals sanity. What do you have? Okay, dried eyes bleeding. Wait, what was bleeding again? Oh wait, no, I remember what bleeding was. I hope I'm actually right. No! I was wrong. I'm so stupid. By the way, I'm saying this to the like grey one sitting in the chair. That med kit will be used soon. It will be thrown in the trash, forgotten, and all your loved ones will be like, "Oh no, where did he go?" Because that's what I'm gonna do. But anyways, so far I don't need to treat him, which is good because he's a real pain on my ass. Hey bud, how you doing? You feeling good? You alright, man? Uppa wubba, super scared. Thank you, boo boo really. Okay, that's great. I helped you. Okay, on to the next. Wait, let me comfort her and him, cause like I want to. Hey, how you doing? How you feeling? Hi, bud. So, let me tell you about my life. First, I had no money. I had to get this crappy ass job, but now it's all paid out, worth it. Because now I get a lot of money, and I love to take care of people. Oh, you're welcome. You are so welcome. Anyways, I didn't expect the rain thing to come so early. Any seeker things that are gonna annoy me? No. Okay, go. Okay. Lock in. Light blue, yellow, red, yellow. Oh, wait. Blue. Okay. Don't worry, buddy. Don't worry. Any little annoying things over here? Nope. Bro, relax. It's not like I'm gonna hurt you. Okay, that was faster than I expected. Hold on, I'll be back. Hi, bud. Oh, never mind. I closed automotive. Oh my god. Okay, bruises and bleeding. Whoa, who really injured this guy? Like, is he alright? Or do I need to call help for him? Okay, get well, buddy. Okay, the doctor is arriving. I'm just gonna drink some coffee. Hi! Some patients may seem unstable. Make sure to use the photo and cameras. Stay alert. I will unlock the tape. Yes! Thank you. Use it wisely. Thank you so much, Doctor. You don't know how much this means. We have new supplies. Ooh. I think I'll take this one, because then I have like double taser. Okay, hold on, just wait. Her tail's interesting. I'm just gonna take a wild guess that he's one of them. Okay, hold on, guys. Hold on. What did he say? What did he say? What did he say? And a lollipop, and a lollipop, and a lollipop. You know, I'm feeling really annoyed by you. Oh wait, we're gonna do surgery? You're lucky. You really are, you know. You are lucky, because I love the surgeries. I'm sorry. We'll be fine. Okay. What? Why is everything glitching? No.